Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use the project management side of Bitrix24, so let's get right into it. Now, usually what you're going to be using is the tasks and projects tab and the CRM tab, depending on what you're doing. So let me just go ahead and go through tasks and projects first. This is the main page that you're going to be using for your project management. You can edit your tasks, you can add projects, manage your flows, also manage your Scrum on your project, and you can do a couple of different things. But yeah, firstly, to add a task, you can select your view over here, and then you can go ahead and click create to create a new task. You'll get your list over here. As you can see, I already have one test task over here, but if I click create, I can enter the task name. I'll just name it test 2. You can add a description here. You can also add people or add to them over here, or use Copilot, which I don't prefer, but you can if you want to. But yeah, you can add your description, you can add documents, quotations, whatever you want here. You can then assign people that are going to do the tasks, and you can also set a deadline if you want, depending on what you want. You can also open up the time planning to manage it a bit more closely, and you can enable or disable the task status summary if you want, and that is locked behind a paywall, so I won't be doing that. But yeah, once you're done, you just click add task, and that should add it to your list. And as you can see, once it's created, it'll appear here, and that's pretty much it. Now, as for projects, you can click on projects, and you can do a couple of different things there. You can create a new project, which I will be doing since I don't have any. Just click on project, or just click next. Then about the project, I'll just name it test. Again, select the visual team, do whatever you want. Then as for the privacy, I'll set it to public, and as for members, I'll just add myself, and then click next, and that should create a project. And now you can edit your project through this view over here, and you can add tasks for this specific work group, and it's pretty much just a sub list of tasks for a certain project, which will appear here as per your wishes. And that's pretty much it. You can also go to the CRM. If your project does involve making deals with other clients or companies, you can go here and make your deals. As you can see, I've already created 2 test deals, which you can move throughout this Kanban list, which is the sales funnel, to denote which step of the way you are at. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.